fix acid reflux and GERD at home with this trick I'm about to show you. Okay, so first of all, I want you to understand a case of acid reflux and GERD is caused by the stomach herniating up through the diaphragm, and it compromises the little trap door called the lower esophageal sphincter from keeping the acid down in the stomach where it belongs. Now it's shooting up into your throat. That's why when you lay down, oftentimes it gets worse. So a trick to fix that is pull the stomach down. Okay, so you're going to take your thumb and you're going to find your ribs, come together where your ribs are, right there. And then right below it, you'll feel a soft spot. That's the top of the stomach, right? And the bottom of your rib cage. And right there in the center, you're going to stick your thumb in there, or stick 2 fingers in there. And you're going to stick in there as hard as you can while you're laying on your back, by the way. Take the slack out of your abs. And then just push down like that to almost your belly button, just an inch or 2 above your belly button. So again, stick your fingers in right below your ribs. It's called your xiphoid process. And then pull down while you're on your back. If you get up afterwards and you have to burp a couple of times and your acid reflux goes away and you feel better, less bloated, you're on to something. That means you definitely have a hiatal hernia, which I already knew anyway. I think you probably know too. And you know that it's herniated up through the stomach, right? 95% are sliding type 1 hiatal hernias that can be slid back down. So using your thumb, if it's effective slightly, even if it's just a little bit, you can feel a change, you feel a little bit better, you're on the right path. Now, you just need to get more leverage in there and really pull it down. And that's why I created the Reflux Shield. It gives you the leverage that you need to pull the herniated stomach down below the diaphragm. It has an 85% success rate in alleviating acid reflux and GERD. Check in the description. There are 10 research articles that show the efficacy rate and the effectiveness of this technique. So again, try it with your hand at home. If it's effective while you're laying on your back, knees bent, even slightly effective, go to refluxshield.com. Take a look at some of the research articles in this video, but also on the website. And let's get yourself some digestive relief and some relief from acid reflux and GERD. Thanks for tuning in. I worked really hard on the Reflux Shield to develop it and patent it. And it's very, very safe to use. And I hope you get digestive relief like so many others have. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.